I'm testing a fishtail braid hack that's supposed to be faster and timing it against the real thing. I'm gonna be doing this with clean air dried hair. Today was my wash day, so that is what we're gonna be working with. I already combed through my hair. Now I'm just gonna get some Moroccan oil, 1 pump. Then I'm just going to spread it in. Also, I did style my bangs right before hopping on camera. We are going to be trying the hack first. What you need for this one is a hair tie. I did start, and I'm just gonna place it right there. Okay, so the way that I understood this hairstyle is you grab a hair tie and do a low ponytail. Then you create a little hole pocket. And you pull your hair through, like so. Fluff it out, then you do that again. So push your hair tie down, create a new little hole, pull your hair through, and fluff out. Try to do that one more time. Okay, and then you're left with something that looks like this. Let me grab the stopwatch. Okay, so it's about 2:15. Took about 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Stop it right there. And this is the final look. And try to zoom in so you can see the situation. So it's not bad. I don't hate it. It has a lot of volume. Overall, I think that this hack has potential. Now, let's do the classic. So typically when I'm doing a French braid, I like to start from the top of my head and just have the braid coming down completely. But just so we're matching the last hairstyle, I'm going to start at my neck. So 0, 0, start. I'm going to grab 2 sections, and then I'm going to grab the end of this section and then bring it over to the other side. Same thing, small section from this end, bring it over to the other side. And you are going to repeat that until you are at the bottom of your hair. And I like to start at the back and grab pieces from the back just so it wraps around, if that makes sense. Okay, I'm gonna bring it to the front. Of course, this varies depending on the sections, on the size of sections that you get. I'm gonna do mine fairly small just because that's the way that I like the classic French tail braid. I think I'm gonna stop right here. That was a whole lot. And I just grabbed a plastic elastic. I'm just going to secure that really quickly. Okay, grabbing the stopwatch. That's about 5 minutes around 45 seconds-ish. So about double the time to do the classic, and this is the final result. Of course, you can fluff this out according to your liking. I'm gonna fluff it out just a little bit. So you tell me which braid wins, Team Hack or Team Classic? Comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more easy hairstyles.